What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto Market Update, April 30, 2022. Guys, today in the crypto market is very red day. We have a red day in the crypto market. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. We just have Apecoin in green, GMT, two coins we have been focusing in the last 3 days on this channel. Those coins are in green. We'll also be taking a look at the top gainers in the market, the top losers in the market, the top 10 cryptocurrency by market cap. Guys, we'll be taking a look at Bitcoin price chart, the fear and greed index, and guys, we'll also be taking a look at Apecoin and GMT charts to see whether the top is in. We're talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification, guys, if you want to get notified anytime I drop new content. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So kicking off today's video, guys, still a very red day in the market. The market has been, green day today, red day tomorrow kind of motion, where some people call it a washing machine motion, just to wreck all the people that are trying to trade this market. Sometimes the best things to do is to do nothing. Sit down on your hands. You can't predict this move. You don't know the day is going to be red. You don't know the day is going to be green, and you don't want to be that person that's losing $100 here, $200 here to the market. The top 10 cryptocurrency, we have a change in the top 10. Still at number one, guys, we have Bitcoin at number one. One Bitcoin is going for $38,694 at the point of recording of this video, and that's a 2% decrease in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is still at number two. Ethereum is going for less than $3,000. As a matter of fact, at the point of recording of this video, you can get one Ethereum for over $2,829. That's a 3% decrease in the last 24 hours, and that's a 4% decrease in the last 7 days. Theta is number three. Theta is a stable coin, so there's no difference there. BNB went above $400 yesterday. Right now it's back below $400, but that's a 1% decrease in the last 24 hours and a 1.24% decrease in the last 7 days. So the price of BNB have been fairly stable in the last 7 days. USDC and that stable coin is still exactly where it was. Solana is number 6. Solana is going for less than $100. Exactly at $94 for one Solana, and that's a 5.94% decrease in the last 7 days. Terra Luna is coming at number 8. Terra Luna had all-time high over $100, still at $85. Cardano ADA got to $3.1 at some point in this cycle. It's currently trading for 0.81 per Cardano. Terra USD is coming up at number 10, making up the top 10. Dogecoin was number 10 yesterday. Right now it's currently number 11. It has been displaced by Terra USD. That's a stable coin for the Lunar network. It's good to see that this coin is increasing in market capitalization. At the same time, it's bad that inside the top 10 cryptocurrency, we have 3 stable coins in the top 10. It means a lot of people are still in stables. A lot of people are still scared about the market. Bitcoin had a decrease of 16% in the trading volume in the last 24 hours. That's actually kind of a bad sign. That means a lot of people didn't care about Bitcoin, and we still lost value. We still lost over 2% in the last 24 hours, and the volume came down. At some point in time in the future, guys, I think people realize that the Bitcoin bull run is getting to a very close end. You can see this is the washing machine motion I say we have been going through since when Bitcoin entered 2022. It has just been a rangy, very rangy motion. We have been going from as low as 32,000 to as high as 48,000, then back to the bottom of the range and back to the top of the range. Guys, I believe at some point in the nearest future we're going to break out from this very dreadful range, or where it's just getting people wrecked. People trying to trade this range is always getting them wrecked. Imagine if you even got the bottom of the move on the 24th of January 2022. Guess what? The highest you would have gotten maybe 39% if you wait long enough, 45%. So we have been in this 45% range since when we got into this year. But at some point in time in the future, guys, we're going to break violently to the downside, or we're going to break violently to the upside. Only time will tell. Ethereum still below $3,000 in the last 24 hours. It had a trading volume of $18,144,000,000. That was a 5% decrease. Still a market cap of $341 billion. Let's not forget, Ethereum actually topped at $4,800, and right now it's still up. Some people think Ethereum is down, guys. There was a point in time in this cycle Ethereum was worth only $100, so Ethereum is technically still up. Guys, we took a look at the US dollar currency index yesterday. It was going parabolic, still going parabolic on the weekly. If I put it on the daily right now, you'll see that maybe it's reversing on itself, but we can't know about that. But history has shown that anytime the US dollar currency index start reversing on itself, we always have a huge alt season. The cryptocurrency market goes crazy. You can see the last time we were in this region, the last time the US currency dollar index was here, that was May 2020. The whole market was in shreds. People are running towards the dollar thinking everything is going to go to zero, and we survived that. And then we had a wonderful bull run where everything was up only till May 2022. And you could see that when we got to May 2022, that's when the dollar actually bottomed and started this uptrend. And since then, the crypto market has just been some coins were pumping, but not that kind of March 2020 kind of pump. We've just been in that rangy washing machine motion, and right now you can see that the dollar is actually going parabolic. It might probably be staffed. It probably has started turning on itself, but you can't say whether it has turned on itself till it has to show us confirmation. And confirmation will be when the dollar start getting to 100 on this chart. You see now, right now it's at 103. If the index start getting to that $100 region, then we will know that maybe it's turning on itself. And guys, the market is still in extreme fear. People are scared. They don't know why Bitcoin can possibly stay above 40k. We're currently at just at $8,000. We have been in extreme fear for a while right now, and we just tested grid twice last month. Maybe in 2 or 3 days we tested grid. We're back to extreme fear. This was the region we spent a lot of the last 6 months in fear, extreme fear. But if there's anything history has showed us in the past, is that when the market is in fear or extreme fear, that's a good time to be accumulating. So if you want to be an accumulator in this market, if you want to get some of these cryptos on the cheap, now is your time. If you go on the weekly, you see a lot of them are down. If you even go on the yearly, that's the worst. A lot of them are up on the yearly. We have GMT up over 2,000% on the yearly. SHIB is up, Hex, Luna, Sand, Gala, Ton, CFV, but a lot of the cryptos in the top 100 are down. See, ICP is down 95%, BNB down 40%, Dash 72%, and HBAR 50%. A lot of these coins are on discount, and these are the coins that are rejected right now, that in the future they will actually be having these green balloons like GMT, SHIB, and Hex. There was a time to maybe GMT, SHIB, and Hex were not giving this return, and the time in the future will come where GMT, SHIB, and Hex will actually be red. Guys, the more these bubbles turn green, the more the high likelihood of them popping. That's why they are called bubbles. Guys, Apecoin has been blowing a lot of minds, and right now Apecoin is setting new all-time highs. It got to as high as $28 on the 28th of April 2022, which is a very good sign. Right now it's at $24-25. I think that's the retracement. And guys, something I noticed, if you can look at the volume profile right here, you can see that a lot of volume is coming in at the higher prices, and that's how all these coins happen. You see a lot of volume at the higher prices. These are the normies. Everybody buying Apecoin thinking they're making good investments, when the best time to have bought Apecoin was when it launched around 17th May 2022, or the first dip Apecoin had on the 12th of March 2022. Guess what, guys? You could have gotten Apecoin there for $9.5, and you would have still been up at the point of recording this video over 150%. Yes, hindsight is 2020. Nobody would have known what would have happened. But guys, I won't advise you to get Apecoin now, because I mean, if you're getting Apecoin at $24, it has to go to $48 for you to actually get over 100%. Can it do that? It's very possible. This is crypto. Everything is possible. But you can see the volume is telling you that a lot of people are in this action. A lot of people are getting Apecoin. A lot of people are playing this Apecoin game. And when you're playing with a lot of people, if you don't know the game that people are playing, then you're the sucker. Guys, the top losers and gainers in the top 100 cryptocurrency. Yesterday we were split in between. Half of the coins were gainers, half of the coins were losers. But right now, only the strong coins are gaining. We only have SDC up 19%, Apecoin up 12%, GMT up 11%, Nixo, they got listed on Binance yesterday. Shout out to them. They are up over 5%, and Tron is just up less than 1% in the last 24 hours. After that, a lot of these coins are stable coins. This is a stable coin. There is a stable coin, BUSD, stable coin. You can see that a lot of people are running towards stable coins because the market is dumping, and if there's anything human beings hate, is losing hard-earned cash. The top losers in the market, we have Phantom, lost over 12%, Kava lost over 10%, Zcash, one of my favorite coins, lost over 9.68%, Harmony lost 8%, Cardano lost 8.5%, and Rose Oasis Network lost over 8%. The market has just been in an upward, downward motion. Nobody knows where the market is going to. People call it washing machine motion. This market is actually purposely designed to get you wrecked if you are trading these choppy waters. The altcoin currency index, the altcoin season index is still telling us we're still not in alt season. We have a factor of 31 right here. We're grinding towards 75. When we get to 75, Altism, baby. Altcoins will be popping. That will be when we'll start taking profits on all the altcoins we have on this channel. But right now, we're not still there. But on the good side, we're not still in Bitcoin season. We're heading towards altcoin season, but still not altcoin season. The total crypto market cap is still at $1.74 trillion. We got as high as $3 trillion when the market top in November 2021. When Bitcoin rallied in April, ending of March, beginning of April, we got as high as $2 trillion. We even got above $2 trillion on some chart. People started shouting, we're going to the moon. The bull run is back. Now we're about to lose $2 trillion. We're exactly at $1.745 trillion. I expect the total crypto market cap to go into the moon, but maybe we might plunge lower. We might come back to test this $1.5 trillion region. Only time will tell. And guys, the last index we'll be checking here is the crypto unicorn index. It tells us how many cryptocurrency has market capitalization of over $1 billion. And right now we have a factor of 95. We have 95 cryptocurrency that have a market capitalization of over $1 billion. The highest we've ever gotten on this metric is 135, and that was the top of the market when Bitcoin was 69,000, Ethereum was over 4,800, everything was going to the moon. We had over 135 projects that were over $1 billion. So if you start seeing this index going above 135, that would probably be a sign that the market is topping. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comment section and tell me what you think. See you in my next video. Bye.